at Just Paper Tubes in Selby, Yorkshire, where the first CNI energy storage system is now up and running. So let's check how Sungrow products are performing.
I'm Harry Coates, Managing Director of Just Paper Tubes. We produce over 50 million cores every single year, and we've been doing it for 38 years. One of the really important processes to make our tubes is that we need to dry them. Solar really helps us unlock that because we were spending vast amounts on electricity for dehumidification and drying ovens, and to be able to use our own energy, which we've either generated on site or store now in our battery, it unlocks great savings and is great for sustainability.
This building had a lot of challenges over distance. So with it being a factory, we have a storeroom here. A lot of the production is in older buildings as well. So the distance is a bit of a challenge. Wider distance away, we've got inverters here, and then we have the PowerStack, which is about 50 meters that way. Our communication allows for that. This building had solar fitted a while ago, an old G59 system. That's been pulled out. We've put Sungrow inverters and repowered it. That allows for a lot more communication with our battery. So we've repowered some of the old system with 50 kilowatt inverters. We have a 40 kilowatt inverter as well that we've extended the system with, so we've fitted more modules here. And then we've put a PowerStack on the end of it. So that is now using a lot of cheaper energy at night, and then any spare energy from the system during the day because it's been expanded.
So the PowerStack for us, right off the shelf, was pretty easy to install. The kit itself the build quality is pretty high, the components top notch. From an installer's point of view also, when we're putting it together, the manuals, the support from the tech team, just made it quite easy for us from the get-go. But one of the great features of the PowerStack is a liquid cooling facility, which allows the batteries to operate at a higher efficiency level, keeping the temperature at a moderate temp through its operational cycles. That in turn gives the battery longer life.
The Sungrow UK distribution team supports installers directly from design, installation, commissioning, on-site testing and final handover to the customer. Our partners share the same values as us, which is for our quality installation and quality product. Partnership with Innasol has been excellent, and we look forward to delivering more projects.
One of the things that I've really valued about Innasol and Sungrow is that they've supported us with our questions, our queries, our concerns through that whole process. We felt really supported both by the installer Innasol and also by Sungrow. We've training on how to use the battery, with technical advice, with preparation for the groundwork. It was all really supportive, and we felt that we were working together as one team.